You're responsible for hundreds of devices. But right now, in this moment, how many of them are actually secure? Do you know? Managing a large device fleet means you're always playing catch-up. No fast way to see which devices have risky extensions installed. You're managing blind, and in enterprise security, blind is dangerous. Chrome Readiness Tools Browser Security Analytics gives you exactly what you've been missing. Every device in your organization labeled, secure or not secure, at a glance. Drill into any device, and you see exactly why it's flagged, what extensions are installed, what domains were accessed, what session protection policies are in place. And Chrome Enterprise Premium is what actually moves those devices from not secure to secure. Extension policies, deployed across your entire fleet from one admin console. No device-by-device configuration. Safe browsing enforcement, active on every managed browser automatically. Session protection, on by default, no manual setup per device. You shouldn't have to guess which devices are safe. With Chrome Enterprise Premium, you don't have to.